Hey guys, Matt here. Today I'm going to show you how to install the BuiltRight Industries low-profile Packout mounting bracket into the bed of your Tesla Cybertruck. Let's take a look what's in the kit. Okay, so of course in the kit you're going to get one panel. In addition to that, you're going to get a hardware kit. That hardware kit is going to include 2 rubber bumpers with push clips to keep them secure, 2 stainless steel machine screws with black anodized aluminum countersunk washers, and 2 L-track anchors. This installation is quite simple. You're just going to need a 4mm Allen key. All right, so we're going to prep the panel prior to installation. I'm going to start with the rubber bumpers here. That is going to be as simple as pushing this push clip through the panel and then attaching the bumper to it. Do the same thing on the other side. Next, we'll move up to these top 2 flanges where we're going to install the anchors. I'll start on this side over here. I'm going to start with my machine screw and countersunk washer. Put that through the front here, and then install the L-track anchor. Take note of the orientation of this anchor. It's only going to work with this larger part of the flange back towards the bedside. I'm going to repeat that on the opposite side. All right, the last thing we're going to do here is find a spot for it in the bed. This is going to be pretty straightforward. You're going to be able to set those anchors in, and then you're going to want to move them over 1/2 inch. You'll get a sense for that when you're actually in here doing it, but that is what's going to allow this panel to lock into place. I'm going to hold it there. I'm going to push the panel up a bit as I tighten this. Get it nice and straight, front and back. All right, so actually I'm thinking I want my bracket to be back a little ways. So I'm just going to pull the Packout out, loosen each of these a couple of turns. Slide it back. That looks better to me. And we'll tighten it back down. Once again, snug, and then maybe 1/8 of a turn or so. Get it locked in there. Now your Packouts are going to fit in here nicely. All right, so here's what a full-size Packout's going to look like on here. You got your latch recess there. All right, so just like that, another quick, easy 2-minute installation that's really gonna add a lot of utility to the bed of your Cybertruck, especially if you are a Milwaukee Packout user. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, leave them in the comments, shoot us an email, give us a phone call, we'll be happy to help you out. Have a good one.